Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to create custom audience of people who have liked your Facebook page, right? It is super easy. As you can see, I am into my ads manager and here we are into the audiences section, right? Here we will click on create audience, then custom audience, and here in the sources we will simply select the Facebook page and click on next. And here you can select your Facebook page, and in the events you can simply select people who currently like or follow your page. We have created a dedicated video on how to create a custom audience of people who have engaged with your Facebook page, or whether they have engaged with any post or ad, right? Which you can watch by visiting our YouTube channel and checking out the meta ads playlist. So you will come to know about all the events that you can use for creating a custom audience of people who have engaged with your Facebook page, right? And here you can simply enter the audience name, whatever the audience name you want to keep. For example, I am going to enter this as a custom audience name, as it would not be visible to the users. It's just for our reference. So we will click on create audience and the custom audience has been created. As you can see here, the custom audience have been created, and it's under populating phase, and it would get ready soon in next 6 to 24 hours. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.